Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change time on Lexus IS300 easy method. Press the clock button to enter time set mode, then use the H and M controls to adjust hour and minute. Turn each control until the display shows the correct time, and press clock again to save. If your car has a different layout, I'll point out common button placements and quick tips to avoid mistakes so you can finish confidently. Start by sitting in the driver's seat and turning the ignition to accessory so the dash lights are on. Press clock to open the time setting, and use H for hours and M for minutes until the display reads correct. Make small adjustments and double-check AM or PM where applicable. Once adjusted, press clock again to lock the time. These steps take under a minute with a little practice and make morning commute smoother. In this video, I will show how to change time on Lexus IS300 easy method. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after maintenance. It's a small, affordable refresh that makes the drive nicer while you tackle quick tasks like setting the clock. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if this helped, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. If the clock button doesn't respond, try cycling the ignition or gently pressing harder, as older buttons can stick. Blinking displays usually indicate edit mode, so wait then adjust H and M carefully to avoid overshooting. If the time resets after driving, inspect the dash fuse or consult your manual for model quirks. These quick checks usually resolve issues, so you can set the time reliably without a dealer visit and save time later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.